Hello. For this video, we're going to show some examples with vector subtraction. So let's try the same vectors a and b with x components 3 and 1 and 4 and 2 for y components. So vector a minus vector b. So this is also equal to vector a plus the negative of vector b. So it's like we multiply -1 to the components of vector b. So we'll have 3 plus -1, and for y component, that's 4 plus -2. So vector a minus vector b has x and y component of 2 and 2. So on this graph, we have the yellow as vector a and the blue color as vector b. And now if we're going to graph the negative of vector b, then we'll have -1 and -2. So this, okay? So this is negative of vector b. And then we just move it to the endpoint of vector a. Alright, that. And now our resultant would be from the initial point of vector a to the endpoint of vector b. So this is vector a minus vector b. Okay, next example is vector u with 3, 4 components and vector v with 5, -1. So vector u minus vector v is the same as vector u plus the negative of vector v. So again, we just multiply -1, a scalar quantity, to our vector v. So we have 3 plus -5, and for y component we have 4 plus negative of -1 is +1. So our difference of vector u and vector v would be 3 plus -5 is -2. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, for the graph, so this is vector u and vector v. So if you graph the negative of vector v, that would be -5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's extend that. -5 and +1. Okay, so we just move it here, the opposite. Okay, so our resultant, if we move this -v vector here at the end of vector u, okay, right, so the resultant is this. Okay, that's our resultant, or vector u plus or minus vector v.